We're on the last page, page 13. Okay, we are going to solve this equation. What should we do first? Move the 2, subtract 2. 4e to the 2x equals 14. What should we do next? Huh? Someone said the right thing. Divide by 4. E to the 2x is equal to 14 over 4. 14 over 4 is the same as 7 over 2. All right, so we can get to this point. Now the problem is there is a x in the exponent. So to solve this, we got to bring that x down. And we've learned this before where we said to get the exponent down, we just take log of both sides, right? However, there is a special situation with this question. Because the base is e, we can use something else. What kind of log has a base of e? Natural log. So what we can do is take natural log of both sides, and the natural log and the e will cancel because log of the same base and exponent of the same base will cancel. Okay? This is 2x equals natural log 7 over 2. Okay, the last thing you're going to do is just divide by 2. Okay, the order matters, so make sure you do the natural log 7 over 2, get a number, and then divide by 2. Okay, let me know when you have a number. Hey, what is your answer? 0.626. Good. Now, let's say you forgot this trick on the test and you got to the point where it was e to the 2x equals 7 over 2. You forgot that natural log and e will cancel. So you decided to just use a regular log because you remember to bring that 2x down, you had to use a regular log. Let's see if it actually works. 2x times log e equals log 7 over 2. So to solve x, we got to divide everything that is not x. Right? So x is equal to log 7 over 2 divided by 2 log e. Okay, log and e won't cancel because they don't have the same base. Okay, but use your calculator and see if you actually get the same number or not. Okay, so do you get the same number? Yeah. Okay, 2 people say yes. 3. Okay. Everyone else tried it and got the same number? Yeah. Okay. So the answer is still 0.626. So on the test, if you just forgot, you could do it this way. Hopefully by that time you remembered natural log is the better way. Okay, let's practice. Number 1. What should we do to solve this problem? Natural log? Yes, natural log will get rid of that e. That cancels. X minus 2 is natural log 12. So this is an easy problem. You could just solve it in 2 steps. Okay, x is 2 plus natural log 12. So go ahead and figure out what that number is. Okay, what number did you guys get? 4.485? Okay. All right, let's have you guys do the next 2. and let me know when you're done with them. Sorry.